Hey guys, I got a quick video on a 2008 Toyota Prius. Came into the shop to replace the engine. It came in from a different shop. The customer's car started rattling, sitting at a traffic light. They got it towed to the closest shop. They checked it. They said the problem is the engine. So I'm gonna start the car real quick. All right, sounds like an engine. Clean the oil dipstick. Oil still within range and looks very clean. No metal particles in there. It does have a check engine light, so I'm gonna scan the codes real quick. So I'm gonna go to ECM. Alright, so it's got multiple cylinder misfires, 1, 300, 301, 302, 3, 4, same codes over and over again. So mainly just misfires on all 4 cylinders. Next step, I'm going to the data stream. Alright, just gonna pull up all the counters. I'm gonna start the car again. So once it stabilizes, looks like the main misfire is on number 2. The other ones could be randomly misfiring because of the imbalance caused by number 2 misfiring that badly and just trying to counter it. So the first step will be pulling out all the spark plugs and then go on from there. Alright, so got the spark plugs removed. Did smell a lot more gasoline on number 2 and number 4. The other 2 were pretty normal. The spark plugs are not in very bad shape. They are due for replacement. Did check the coils. There's no burn marks or anything. And I did change the positions on it. I moved them from 1 and 3 to 2 and 4, and it was still misfiring on the same, so I took them off, visually inspected too. Did check the compression. The compression's in good shape. So my next step will be the injectors. I'm going to start by replacing the injectors, and then we go on from there. I'm just going to end up replacing all 4 of them as a set. They all probably have the same age, so it makes sense doing all of them at the same time. All right, moment of truth. Got all 4 injectors and spark plugs replaced. So first thing, I'm going to turn the ignition to the on position, clear all the fault codes. Then I'm going to go to the data stream. All right, fingers crossed. All right, started right up. No misfires and no engine noise. All right, so I guess the misfire from the fuel injectors was causing that rattle. Quiet as it can be. So a lot of times the same situation can be caused by faulty injectors, spark plugs, coils, pretty much anything that can cause a misfire. So before you replace the engine, always check the misfire first and then go on from there. All right, hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.